Baton Rouge, known as the Red Stick by French explorers, is where Louisiana's capital, flagship university, and distinct Cajun and Creole cultures all come together in one location. Tailgates outside Louisiana State University's Tiger Stadium have made Baton Rouge famous as a college town, but Baton Rouge is developing into so much more, a southern metropolis that is developing innovative businesses and Louisiana's next generation of leaders. Baton Rouge, Louisiana's capital city, is home to fantastic museums, unique attractions, wedding venues, and exceptional restaurants. Visit the LSU Tiger Stadium, Museum of Art, and the Louisiana Art and Science Museum to view a planetarium show. When it comes to tourism in the United States, there are several cities that receive the most attention. Everyone mentions New York City, Los Angeles, San Francisco, Las Vegas, and Washington DC. Even in the South, Atlanta, Miami, and New Orleans are the heavyweights that most people will visit. But don't be fooled into believing that these are only the cities in the South worth visiting. There is lots to see and do across the region, as well as cities just waiting to be discovered. Baton Rouge, located along the beautiful banks of the Mississippi River, is recognized for its breathtaking river views and strategic position. And whatever your hobbies, you'll find something to enjoy in this city, noted for its vitality and variety. Baton Rouge is also the home of the Tigers, the local football team, and there is nothing better than watching a fast-paced game at LSU Tiger Stadium if you enjoy sports. If you are traveling with children, try taking a quick tour of the night sky at the Louisiana Art and Science Museum's planetarium. Politics is strongly embedded in Baton Rouge culture. It may be found both in the storied past of local deal makers, as displayed in the old Louisiana state capitol, and in the political history being created now inside the Art Deco skyscraper that serves as the present capitol. As the home of Louisiana State University's main campus and numerous minor institutions, the city buzzes with youthful vitality while maintaining its traditions in southern lifestyle and historic sites. LSU's home football games dominate the fall social calendar when fans perfect the art of tailgating and pack the immense Tiger Stadium. The city center is experiencing a renovation with attractions ranging from a riverfront casino and USS Kidd Floating Museum to the ultra-modern Shaw Center for the Arts, which has an art museum, gallery spaces, theaters and restaurants in the heart of downtown. Baton Rouge provides a unique Louisiana experience from its vibrant culinary scene to its live music scene. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.